Ever wondered why you yawn just because someone else does? Well, some scientists believe that it could be an ancient survival mechanism. Back in the day when humans lived and hunted in groups, yawning could have been a way to keep everyone alert and in sync. So when one person yawned, it sent a signal to the entire group, hey, it's time to wake up or pay attention. This was super important in potentially dangerous situations, like say spotting a predators. By yawning together, everyone's brain stayed sharp, making the whole group safer.